And we'll go from there, guys. So here we go. Y'all hang tight. Let's start this up together. Here we go. All right, guys, I'm going to quench it, pickle it, and we're going to begin forming it to a ring. I'm going to put a back on it to make it nice and beautiful so that you're looking not just down into a hollow shell. We're actually going to have create some depth type stuff to it, so it has a little bit of depth looking and all that cool stuff. So here we go, guys. Y'all hang tight. Let's quench it, pickle it, and I'll see y'all back in just a few minutes. Y'all hang tight.